Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. And today I'm here to show you how you can download Guarda crypto Bitcoin app on your Android smartphone. Guarda is a cryptocurrency wallet where you can easily store tokens in one secure multi-currency crypto wallet. You can easily receive, send or hold and buy or exchange any cryptocurrencies as you wish. So, to download Guarda, you need to make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your Android smartphone. And after making sure, just go on to Play Store and on the search bar, search for Guarda Crypto Bitcoin Wallet. And after searching up is the first application that pops up on your screen. And as you can see, after you open up the app, you can see there's an install button in front of your screen. Hit on install and depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, the application will be installed to your phone with a given time. As you can see, Guarda app has been installed on an Android smartphone. Now you can use this application to advantage in buying, selling, exchanging or storing cryptocurrency as you wish. So this much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys next time in our next video. Thank you for watching.